Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the Brand Designer AI agent. It helps you quickly create promo posters, cover images, and marketing copy, perfect for new products like Bika when launching online. This agent is set up with a professional brand and marketing designer prompt. It knows how to create promotional kits for platforms like Product Hunt and AppSumo, and best of all, it has the ability to generate images directly, so you get both the ideas and the visuals. Here's an example of what I typed in. I asked it to generate a Product Hunt poster with a fixed size of 1536 by 1024 pixels. The style should be minimalist, modern, and tech-oriented, with deep space blue and tech purple as the main colors, plus cool white and light silver as accents. The poster should highlight Bika's interface, showing real-time Kanban boards, multi-user collaborative docs, and cross-team message sync, with a subtle border and shadow. Next to the interface, I wanted simple avatar icons connected by lines to represent teamwork. On the right, I asked for a 3-layer text structure. A bold title, Bika Intelligent Team Collaboration Workspace. A core value line, real-time collaboration, task visualization, efficiency tracking. And a call to action, now on Product Hunt, click to explore more. In just a few seconds, the AI generates a polished promotional poster ready to use. The whole process takes less than a minute, and you get professional quality results without hiring a designer. If you'd like to try it yourself, just visit Bika.ai and look for the Brand Designer template in the Template Center.